Darn it. Less than a man. I have to save you guys. Save yourself! Yeah! Captain, are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Oh, this works. Huh. Oh, I got a bigger thing. You missed! Darn it! Oh! Loser. Losers. General, are you okay? He's been killed. Darn it. Oh! We surrendered. Aren't you supposed to not kill us? Oh, I have an idea. Okay. Yeah! Take that. I'm out of here! I win. Okay, let's get out of here before the bad guys come. Oh, fine. Awesome. Do 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 do. Huh? Whoa.
Dun 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 dun.
I hope he's okay. You okay? Darn it, he's dead.
Oh.
That was my brother! You are gonna die for killing him. Oh, wait, you hurt me. Ah! Darn it. I thought you died.
No, I don't. I never die. What is this? Oh, this no.
Where'd you come from? I'm alive still? Yeah. Awesome. Thought I got my head shot off and died. Okay then. I'm gonna beat this monster. Ah! Darn it. Huh. Bring it on. Darn it. I lost my head again. Yeah. I think I got her arm right. Better get going.
Ha ha ha! I've killed all of you! Not me! Where'd you come from? Over there. That should take care of him. I think he's dead. Yep, he's dead. I'm not dead yet.
How is that bloody? Don't ask me why.
Well, it's a giant monster.
Ugh.
I'm still alive. Except that my arm's about to fall off. Yep. It's about to fall off. Yeah. There it goes. Oh. Oh my god. My head. Brother! This is what that monster did to you? I hate him.
This is what he did to me.
Oh my god. Oh, my brother.
Hey,
dead.
saying about your brother, I'm your brother too.
Yeah, but you're alive. Oh, he's dead. He's dead.
Yeah, so?
I don't really care. He was never a good brother anyway. So, what do you guys want to do now?
We'll save the world!
Yeah!
And get revenge on our general.
Yeah! Hey.
What's up? Is that really you, brother? Yeah. I can't believe it. I thought you died. No, you do look like you died. Yeah, I got my head shot off. What the heck? How are you still alive? That's my question. I have a gun. Yeah, so let's go on our adventure.
Exactly. Come on, stupid. Let's go.
Wait for me.